Hello fun and learn student of class 9th. In this introductory video we will discuss the syllabus of your geography class 9th. So this is your syllabus. 6th chapter you have to study. 3 chapters, first, second and 3 for your 6 monthly exam, and rest will be covered in for the finals. So what are those chapters? Number 1, India, size and location. Number 2, physical feature of India. And number 3, drainage pattern. These 3 you will cover in the 6 monthly exam. Next is your India in climate, Indian natural vegetation and wildlife, and population. This will cover in the for final exam. So 3 chapter India first, second and 3 we will cover in the 6 monthly exam. Now let's see what we will study in these 3 chapters. So first is your India, size and location. In this chapter we will discuss that Indian size and location, that is where we are standing in terms of area and population wise in the whole world. And we will discuss location of India, latitudinally and longitudinally we will discuss it. We will also discuss the 2 time zones of India and standard IST, Indian Standard Time. We will discuss this. Then we will discuss in this chapter India and the world. What are the relations? Trade and cultural relationship, trade and commerce we will discuss. Then we will study the neighbors of India in this chapter. Important neighbors, how culturally and in terms of trade and commerce we are dealing with our neighbors, we will study. Then we will also study political division of India. This is in chapter 1 we will study. In chapter 2, that is physical feature of India, we will discuss Indian physical features. That is what we will discuss in this chapter, that is the physical division of India. That is the Himalayan regions, the peninsular plateau, the coastal plain, the northern plain, the Indian desert, the islands of India. We will all discuss it extensively. So we will discuss in this chapter basically physical characters of India we will discuss in this chapter. In third chapter, that is drainage pattern, we will study river system or drainage system in India. All we will discuss it broadly. So we will discuss the Himalayan rivers, origin of Himalayan river, the Indus river system, the Ganga river system, the Brahmaputra river system, and the peninsular rivers we will discuss in this chapter. The Mahanadi river system, river basin, the Krishna river basin, the Kaveri river basin, the Narmada river basin, the Tapi river basin, and the differences between Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers we will also discuss it. Then we will further discuss role of rivers in economy, river pollution we will discuss, Ganga action plan associated with river pollution we will study. Then we will study the lakes of India. These kind of things we will study in the third chapter. So I think I have given you the syllabus of your 6 monthly first, second, 3 chapters. In next video we will study chapter 1. So thank you very much student. Thank you.